I'm called by the names Pedun Phiona. I come from Kumi District, village Kacherde, parish Kacherde, sub-county Kanapa. Before I joined Leisure Farm, I was being at home digging. I was digging ginat, cassava, sweet potatoes, maize, soya. It was not for selling. We used to eat at home. Why do I like to join Leisure Farm? One, I was just staying at home. Now I've been coming here. At least I know my coming here is going to change me, not staying, not doing anything. When I came here in Leisure Farm, I was very happy because it is my first time to come here. Yes, to learn. I'm in Feedmill. First of all, they told us type of machines. That's what I've learned. And they've taught us how to make soya, flying soya. One of the machines we have here, we have the hammer, we have the mixer. From here in Gudie Leisure Farm, they've taught us how to make bangles. Then I've learned how to make pads. At first, when I go back home, I'll first collect them, telling them about Gudie Leisure Farm, what we have been learning here in Gudie Leisure Farm, and I will encourage them so that I'll try to teach with them or study with them.